This video will show you how to track work statuses manually, and this applies to drilling and piling. So down here at the bottom right corner, you'll see a large box that has your current work status. Typically, this will always say piling or drilling, which will basically mean that you're working, and this time is being tracked while you're in this state. So if the operator is going on a break, he can tap in this button, find the status that applies to what he's doing. So we'll say a break, taps accept, and then we'll see that it has break in here, and since the break was given 20 minutes, it's just going to do a countdown of 20 minutes. Now you'll see in the actual XML file, which is found in the DPS900 data folder in the templates folder, that all of these things can be customized, but we've just provided some basic common work statuses or operational delays that can occur on a typical job site. So I can tap it again and say, now I'm doing long tramming. So like I said before, all of the time that happens while I'm in this work status gets tracked. So say I'm doing a long tramming, moving, and now I can either press F1 and that'll bring me right back to piling mode, or I can tap in here and select piling manually. Instead, I'll just tap F1, and you can see that the mode has gone back to piling, and I've left the long tramming mode. So now I'll show what that file actually looks like. So if I bring up my DPS900 data folder, under templates, I've got my work items for piling. So I'll look at that file. And in here, you can see all the different statuses that we just saw on that track work status page. And some of these have a little bit different behavior, but you can just customize this and figure out what you have to change to apply to your job site. Like for the break, for instance, we had 20 minutes as a time limit, so here's that parameter that can be customized. If you want to shorten this list, you can delete a bunch of these or add on to it, or change it any way you like. And to show you where this data actually gets logged, we'll go back to the DPS900 data folder, operation log. This is the machine that I'm on. This is the user that I was on. And I've got an XML file here that's got all this data showing how much time was used and when the start and end time and date for each operation was. So if I want to bring this into Excel, I'll just open Excel. And now I will find that file. So I'm back in the DPS900 data folder. Go to find my machine, my user. Here's the XML. I've got to import it as an XML table. Now you can see it's a very basic overview of what I did, but you've got some real simple time tracking here with start and end times, how much time is used, and some of those extra parameters that can be entered, such as liters of fuel, but those things can be customized as well. You know, you could put in there for a drill bit change, and you can track values there, or any other type of work status that you'd like to include.